how much my UK TikTok account paid me for my video that had 355,000 views. Hi everyone, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're meeting me for the first time today, my name is Juliet, and in today's video, we'll be talking about everything UK TikTok monetization. For so many years on this internet space, I've watched a lot of tutorials, like I've watched a lot of videos like this one I'm about to make, and people talking about their earnings on social media, how much YouTube paid them for so views, how much TikTok paid them. And I'm someone that I've been dreaming about making this type of video. Now, today is finally my turn. That aside, so in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how much my UK TikTok account paid me for my video that had 355,000 views. Before we get to my TikTok analytics for me to show you guys my earning, let me quickly explain to you guys how this TikTok monetization works, the country that are eligible for monetization, and the requirement for monetization and all that, so that you guys will actually know how this whole monetization thing works, where the money is coming from, and where you need to channel your energy or focus more on, so that you can be able to earn more money. Okay, for some of us that do not know, there are 5 countries that are eligible for TikTok monetization. Yes, the monetization program is not open to all the countries around the world. So those 5 countries that are eligible for monetization only include UK, US, France, Canada, Italy, and some European countries. All the African countries, including Nigeria, are not eligible for TikTok monetization. But as creators living in Nigeria and some other African countries, we are always advised to get a UK TikTok account. You know why? Because verification on a UK TikTok account is even way more easier than every other country you can think of. Because with a UK TikTok account, you can use your local ID card to verify your TikTok account. But with some other countries like UK, you'll be looking for the UK tax information, you'll be looking for a UK number for you to be able to verify your identity on your TikTok account. For some of us that live in Nigeria, some creators that live in Nigeria that are using a UK account, you only need your ID card, maybe your NIN, your voter's card, your driver's license, or your international passport to be able to verify your UK TikTok account. That's the only requirement you need for verification. See, this one is not even hard for you to get, right? Just like YouTube have the YouTube partnership program, Facebook has the Facebook content monetization, TikTok also has its monetization program called the Creators Reward Program. Although it was recently changed to the Creators Reward Program, before it was known as the Creativity Program Beta. Just for clarity's sake, the requirement for you to get into the Creators Reward Program on TikTok, first off, you need to be 18 years and above. Secondly, you need to have 10,000 followers, 10,000 organic followers. Thirdly, you need to hit 100,000 views in the last 30 days. The moment you meet all these requirements, you can just go straight and apply for the Creators Reward Program. And if you get accepted, because yes, there are chances that you will get rejected if you have violated any of the TikTok guidelines or any of your videos have copyright issues, you know that there are chances that you might be rejected. But if you are not rejected, if you are accepted into the monetization program, then you are good to go. All you need to do is to start creating more content that are longer than 1 minute. Original content, not copy and paste. Because just like YouTube, TikTok is also against copying other people's content. They are so against unoriginal content. So like I said before, after you apply for the Creators Reward Program and you get accepted, you need to be creating videos longer than 1 minute for you to be earning, for you to start earning. If your videos are anything less than 1 minute, it will be disqualified from the rewards program. You will not earn anything from that video, even if the video hits 10 million views. As long as it's not up to 1 minute, you're not going to earn shishi from that particular video. I have a video like that on my TikTok account. That video hit 600,000 plus views, but that video was not up to 1 minute. I'm telling you like this that I did not earn even a single cent from that particular video. One very important thing you should have in mind is that it's not all the views you get on your 1 minute long videos are qualified to earn on TikTok monetization program. In Creators Reward Program, there is something called qualified views and the unqualified views. So the qualified views is what will earn you money. You might have 1 million views and TikTok will tell you that it's only 500,000 out of the 1 million views is qualified to earn you money, and the rest of the 500 are unqualified. They'll just discard those other views. So what makes a video qualified views? All the people that watched your video from the FYP, that is what is called qualified view. And people that watched your video to the end is what is called qualified view. But you see those people that searched your name to go and watch your content, or people that just do not even watch 10 seconds of your video, they will just swipe and pass, or people that just come across your video, they will just be swiping and swiping. Those are unqualified views. Even though they will count as your views, but they will never be qualified to earn you a single cent. As easy as this whole thing looks and sounds, it's not easy. It can be very, very, like, it can get so frustrating that so in the creators reward program, the RPM for each video is different depending on the type of content that you are making and the audience that you have. For most of us that are doing lifestyle content on that place, you know, mostly our audience are from Nigeria. They are Nigerians, and Africans are the ones watching some of our videos. So most likely we are earning peanuts from TikTok. I'm not going to lie to you, we are earning peanuts, yes, because our audience mostly is from Nigeria, and the RPM for Nigerian audience is 0.01. Just imagine 0.01 for every 1,000 qualified views you have on your videos. Oh, so now that you have understood some of the things, some of the terms, or some of the things about the TikTok monetization program, let's just go to my TikTok analytics. Let me show you guys what TikTok paid me for a video that had 355,000 views. You'll be shocked. So let me start the screen recording first, then we continue. Okay, yes, now. So let's get to my TikTok. Let's start this thing. First off, let me show you guys this video that I was talking about. This is a BTS video that I posted. I posted this video on the 27th of November, 2025. This video has 619,000 views, 1,438 likes and all that. But as you can see, I did not earn anything from this video because this video was not up to 1 minute. I did not earn anything at all from this video, not even 1 cent. It was empty. So you creating a video less than 1 minute after getting into the Creators Rewards program is more like a waste of time, waste of data, except you can be doing it just to, you know, attract more audience, new followers and all that, because short videos go far than longer videos on TikTok. The moment you get into the monetization program, just like this, your views will just drop. You just see yourself struggling to get views. Like, yes, but those short videos is just a way for you to, you know, attract new audience to your page. But that aside, let's just go to the video that I want to use for this tutorial. Okay, now the video is here. This is a snail video I posted. I posted this video on the 15th of September 2025, like I said, around 8:49 p.m. So this video got 355,491 views, and it also got 9,853 likes, 105 comments, 108 shares, and 258 saves. So the total playtime was 3,394 hours. Average watch time 33.2 seconds. Watched full video, 7.83% of my viewers watched my video to the end, and I got 286 followers from this video. So now let's go to the viewer side. The location of my viewers, location of the people that watched my video. So I got 51.2% of Nigerians, 13.4% of Ghana people, 4.9% of Kenya, 4.2% of United States, 2.4% of Cameroon, 2.1% from South Africa, 1.5% from Uganda, 1.4% from United Kingdom, that's UK, 1.4% from Zambia, 1.3% from Gambia, 16.2% from other countries that are not mentioned here. As you can see, mostly my viewers are from African country, and African country, you know, our RPM is very, very low. So it's more like I'm not going to get much from this video. Let me open up my earnings so that you guys can see how much this video made me on TikTok. So you guys, this is where the juicy something is. I got a total of 355,000 views on this video, And the qualified views that I got out of this 355,000 is what? 9.6 thousand qualified views. And I have 345,000.5K ineligible views. Do you guys understand what I'm trying to say now? I have 355K views on a video and only 9,000 plus is qualified to earn me money. The rest of the 345 is a total waste of views, like total waste of views, you guys. Let's go to the reward calculation. Like I said, the qualified view is 9,600 and the RPM for this is $1.12 for every 1,000 views I have on this video. So now I got 9,600 qualified views and the total earning I have on this video as of the time this video was posted was $10.86. But in TikTok earnings, there is something called additional reward. They used to give you bonus on each of your earnings. So the standard money I earned on this video is actually $2.67. And the additional reward that they gave me is $8.19, making it the total of the $10.86 that I earned. So all the money I earned on this my video that has 355,000 views is what? $10.86, and that's with 9,000 qualified views. The rest of the 300 and something thousand views is what? Waste of views. Like I said from the beginning of this video, your earnings depends where your audience is coming from. From this video's analytics, you guys can see that I have more of African country, like this our African viewers. I have more of Nigerian viewers, Ghana, Cameroon, those other countries that are not eligible for monetization, and our RPM is very, very low. So that's why I earned only $10 from my video. So tell me now in the comment section, is TikTok still worth it, or will you just channel your energy on some other platform that even pay better money? But at the end of the day, all this small, assuming that I made like 30 posts in a month, that's $10, and I earned $10 in each of those 30 posts, that's like $300, Abi. So it's not actually a bad thing. This is just from one video. No matter how bad this our earnings is, like one drop from here and there will actually make a very full cup for you. So this is really more like saying, don't be discouraged because my video like this and little does not mean your own video will also earn little. And another thing, if you want to earn much money on TikTok, like I said before, it depends on the type of content you are posting, where your audience is coming from, because people with a different niche now and not lifestyle actually earn more money than we that do lifestyle content, because we are doing lifestyle, our audience is basically people around us that can understand what we are doing. You know, Igbo people, there's this type of content that they love to watch, you know, that kind of thing. Except maybe some of our Nigerians that are abroad that are now watching our lifestyle content just to catch up on what is going on around here. You get what I mean? That's basically all I have for this video. Nothing else for me to tell you guys, because it's more like I've said everything that needs to be said. So you guys, let me know in the comment section, will you still be creating a UK TikTok account? Do you want to create a UK TikTok account even though we earn peanuts, we don't earn much from TikTok? Will you still be creating it? Will you still be growing your account? I want to know all that in the comment section. And if you want to know how to create a UK TikTok account here in Nigeria for free, drop it for me in the comment section. I will make a detailed video for you guys on how to go about that. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for relatable videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video, same time next week. Bye bye.